Welcome back to Future Car, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into the brand new 2026 Honda Civic, a car that's not just continuing a legacy, but rewriting what we expect from a compact sedan. For decades, the Civic has been a symbol of reliability, efficiency, and smart design. But in 2026, Honda is stepping up its game with a bold new vision that blends cutting-edge technology, refined styling, and electrified performance. Right off the bat, the 2026 Civic catches your eye with its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette. Honda has refined the body lines for a more athletic look, lowered the stance slightly, and added sharper LED lighting all around. The front fascia now boasts a more aggressive grille and a futuristic light signature, making this Civic look anything but entry-level. Under the hood, the big news is electrification. The 2026 Civic offers two powertrains, a highly efficient hybrid model and, for the first time in Civic history, a fully electric variant. The hybrid version uses Honda's next-gen 2-motor system, delivering around 200 horsepower while still achieving well over 50 miles per gallon. The all-electric Civic, meanwhile, offers up to 250 miles of range on a single charge, fast charging capability, and a surprisingly punchy performance, perfect for city driving and daily commutes. Inside, the cabin is where the Civic truly feels like a car from the future. The dashboard features a clean, horizontal layout with a fully digital 10.2-inch instrument cluster and a new 12.3-inch infotainment screen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and for the first time, Honda is offering over-the-air updates, allowing your Civic to get smarter over time. Comfort and materials have also seen a major upgrade. Soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and enhanced noise insulation make this the quietest, most refined Civic ever. Rear passengers get more legroom, and the trunk space hasn't been compromised, something EV models often struggle with. Of course, Honda Sensing is back with more features than ever. We're talking about improved adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. There's even a new AI-based driver attention monitor that can suggest rest breaks or even adjust cabin settings based on your stress level. The 2026 Honda Civic isn't just a car. It's a glimpse into where mainstream vehicles are headed: smarter, cleaner, and better connected. Whether you're a longtime Civic fan or just looking for a reliable, tech-savvy daily driver, this model is absolutely worth a look. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our future car reviews and previews. This is Future Car, and we'll see you on the road ahead.